Most people sending LinkedIn connection requests manually in 2026 are losing to the people who aren't. Active LinkedIn users close 40% more deals, and the gap is only getting wider because some people automated this months ago. Here's how to do it with toflow. First, grab toflow from the link in the description, sign up. Takes 2 minutes, then connect your LinkedIn account inside toflow. One-time setup. Now here's where it gets good. Create a new sequence. This is your automated outreach campaign. toflow gives you every LinkedIn touchpoint you need, connection requests, messages, in-mails, profile views, all in one place. Mix in 1 or 2 email steps and you've got a multi-channel sequence running on autopilot. And if you want to skip the manual setup entirely, you can build this whole sequence just by chatting with Claude. But for now, let's do it manually so you see exactly how it works. Next, your leads. Upload a CSV if you've already got a list, or prospect directly inside Claude. toflow connects to Claude via MCP, so you can literally type, "Find me 50 SDRs at Series B SaaS companies in the US," and the list appears inside toflow, ready to go. We've got a full video on that. Link on the I button and in the description. Select your leads, enroll them in the sequence, done. Now, the part everyone worries about, getting banned. You don't need to touch a single setting. toflow has already set your LinkedIn limits for you. Your account stays safe. Hit launch. From here, it runs. Connection requests go out. Profile views happen. Messages send. Replies come back. You set this up once, and it works while you're doing everything else. That's LinkedIn outreach, fully automated. No manual sending, no tool switching, no getting banned. Get toflow from the link in the description. Your first sequence can be live today.